Can they lock? Hello! This is my first time on a Tilt-a-Whirl. I'm being cooked. It's a lot gentler than I thought. Okay! This is scary. I should not have chose the car I was spinning, the fast ones. Pull me off of this wretched thing. I don't like it.
Welcome to HairTime Coasters. We're Ray, Kim, and Piper, and today we're exploring another Six Flags adventure. We're here to find great rides, great food, and get the most out of our passes. And we'll be measuring every ride with the HairTime scale using Piper's hair to rate the airtime.
Let's ride.
Okay, we've made it inside to Waldameer.
Happy National Coaster Day.
Yes, we have our dry ride pass for today. Definitely going to get some rides in a Ravine Flyer.
Oh, yeah.
2. I don't think they'll let me on Ravine Flyer 3. Got some killer dark rides. We're going to get up there and hit the sky ride in a moment.
We've never been here before, so we're looking forward to all the new experiences.
Yeah.
You know what? You know what I've learned?
What?
Fake clowns are very hot.
We are currently making our way towards Ravine Flyer 2.
Hopefully it's a walk-on.
Yep. Oh, look at this view. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is a view. So sad.
It's so sad, yeah. Oh yeah! Woo!
Yes!
I heard things saying it got me all high. You know I feel that. That's amazing.
I floated, I ejected, I had lateral airtime.
There was some good.
That was insane. We need some more laps on that baby.
There was some good hair time for sure.
Oh yeah, and the view at the top of the lift hill was crazy. Woo!
Insane. And there's all the construction.
Yep.
It's a construction site.
Woohoo! Fancy meeting you here.
Hello.
We are done with 2 laps on Ravine Flyer 2.
Yes. Oh my gosh, what a great way to celebrate National Coaster Day with a new credit from Ravine Flyer 2. It was amazing.
Piper, front or back better?
Back.
That, I will go with you on that. I was, out of my seat, standing with plenty of time. So then we got the sky ride, and now we need to figure out lunch. I hear there's some good French fries here. Let's see what they got.
I want to say that I think that I think the fresh cut French fries from Tater, whatever it's called,
Tasty tater.
I almost said tater tots from Tasty Taters. I thought the French fries there were really yummy.
And the chicken fingers were serviceable.
They were amusement park food.
Yeah.
But they were fine. They were good. They were fresh.
Comet, but smaller. And no lake.
Okay, it felt just like the Woodstock Express.
Are we alive? Look at these like cars. I don't like seeing what the other ones are doing already.
Oh God.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Not there, not there!
Oh!
Oh, that would hurt. What the heck? Okay. It's still going. Okay, we're still going. Oh my God. My knee. That was slightly painful. My knee.
Yeah, I mean, once I figured out how to ride it, it wasn't that bad. But there was
That was hilarious.
there were some janky transitions for sure.
Oh yeah. That was funny.
I don't know how I feel about it.
First lap on Steel's Dragon, the spinning mouse.
It was fun,
It was a lot of fun.
but yet it also was a little bit painful.
Yeah. Some of the transitions really came across janky, and I
Yeah.
don't think it mattered what position we were facing.
But it was fun.
Yeah, I had
it
a
was
good
a good
time on
time.
it.
Yeah.
Got to get back to some more Ravine Flyer
Yes.
too, though.
Yes.
Absolutely.
What the heck? What the heck?
You got him? Okay.
Why is it so dark?
Just finished up the Pirates Dark Ride. What are your thoughts, ladies?
That was pretty good.
I don't know if you can call it a ride because it's a walkthrough.
It is.
However, I thought it was a lot of fun. You
Yeah.
never knew what you were going to find around the corner, and it was just a lot of fun.
And something that's not easy to find anymore.
Yeah.
Yes, true.
Yeah, they're the rarity of them, and it was, it was so vintage. It was beautiful.
The only thing that was there was the screens, and that was sad.
Yeah, the screen next to Bill Tracy's grave was kind of weird.
That was
But
just
everything
strange.
else was really cool and highly recommended.
Yeah, loved it.
Don't miss this one. Oh my gosh, I have to run around the... Oh, okay, I get you. Because I want to be next to you if possible.
I'm doing.
Hi. Oh dear, we're going up further.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe I spoke a little soon.
Yeah. You're going fast.
Considering that I'm getting a little airtime as we come around here, it's slightly faster than I expected.
Yeah, it's a little faster.
Oh, no. How come that always happens on every ride you and I go and try? First it goes forward. No, I don't like those. I really like this. Hey, it was pretty fun.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, I was a little more than I expected.
Okay, okay. Pull me off of this wretched thing. I don't like it.
That's right where you started.
I don't like this thing.
Need it, do not lift up your lap bar until all right vehicles stop up. Doing complete and final stop.
Right, we just got off Tilt-a-Whirl. Now we are headed over to check out the train.
I hate Tilt-a-Whirl.
Yeah, I know. You will do that one again, Liv.
No.
Train looks really neat. Looks it's drivable. It's got a couple more things to check out. Not a bad little stop for a driving stop.
No, she's great. How you stay?
Yeah. The skunk was cute. Hopefully we'll see the skunk again.
So where was the skunk?
It was by the train, it went under something, and now it's gone.
Oh yeah, it was super cute.
So we're on the train ride, the El Ruth Express.
It's so cute.
It is.
I mean, it's hard to fit in for everybody, but it's cute.
Yeah, it's definitely not a full size.
Are they making a lazy river?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That looks great.
Oh look, it's SS Wally.
You know what? I think if we talk more, we'll drown out the music that's here. I can talk more, you know. I can do it the whole time if we need to.
We all
Here it comes. Oh, Wally Bear. The SS Wally.
I mean, you truly are at Wally World. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Okay.
What'd you think of it?
That's crazy.
Did you enjoy it?
I like it.
I have to say the operators seem to really enjoy their job with the way they kept getting you involved. I enjoy riding my horse with Ray.
Just got done with a ride at the carousel.
Churro fries.
Piper has found some churro fries.
How are they? Are they good?
How was the ride on Music Express?
Very bad.
So I think we're going to hit Ravine Flyer II again, or maybe again and again and again. And then we're going to head off to our next location for the night.
That's right. What a great National Coaster Day.
It was. I had a great time.
Still having a great
Check
time.
in with you guys in the parking lot as we leave.
Yeah.
Day in the book at Waldameer.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I had a great time.
I definitely say we should come back.
No doubt about it, Ravine Flyer II is a super legit coaster.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely got an argument with one of my top Woodies right now.
Oh, definitely.
Probably. I mean, you got to think about it.
Mm-hmm.
You can't just jump to reaction.
I don't think it's arguing with El Toro.
I mean, is it going to throw on El Toro? Probably not. But I have to contemplate that.
It was really good.
Yeah, got a lot of the other rides in that were here. The cool classic 2 dark rides they had.
Oh my gosh, those are so much fun.
The Whacky Shack was crazy. I loved it. Pirates Cove, we got the Comet. We got the Steel Dragon spinny coaster.
Yeah.
With the Sky Ride. Piper got some of her spinny rides on. Some with regret.
I hate Tilt-a-Whirl. I never went on a Tilt-a-Whirl.
It was a really great way to spend National Coaster Day here at a place we've never been, but we'll definitely be back.
Yep. Now continue on our journey. Make Kim drive for a while so I can edit in the car. And we'll see you at our next destination.
Before leaving Waldameer, we checked out construction to Eagle's Pursuit. the park's new for 2027 family double launch coaster. Waldameer says it will feature 2 magnetic launches, reach 46 miles per hour, include a 60-foot drop, and hug the hillside overlooking Lake Erie.